Can you find checkmate and 1 for black? Look at this position right quick. I'll give you a few seconds. I know it's a little bit complicated, but let me guide you through this. Our opponent has a king on g3, and we already know that this bishop on e5 is indirectly attacking the king. So that's a little x-ray that's going on there. And if we move the rook anywhere, then we would have a discovered check. But what is the best discovered check? Well, doing rook f3 is not the best one because king could just take the knight on h4. But then you realize something. Any move that you make on this 4th rank with the rook is checkmate. The bishop is attacking the king. The king cannot move to h2 because of the bishop. The king cannot capture the knight because of the rook. And the king cannot go to f3 or g2 because of the knight. So any move that you do on this rank, even right here, which the pawn is protecting the rook, is checkmate.